Hi, so here is Mobius Dash Camera or Action Camera installed in my car using DIY bracket. First of all, I'm gonna tell you about the hard wiring. One thing, you can use the standard mini USB charger, a cigarette light charger, but the challenge will be, I'm gonna show you, they are straight. This is the straight plug, so in many places, in many cars, there won't be enough room here between the mirror and the Mobius dash camera. So what I was using, I was using the hardwire solution to hardwire to the reading light loom. Just find out the positive ACC ignition, and using this 12 volt to 5 volt converter with the fuse, I hardwired it. And also very important for me was to use the L-shape mini USB plug. So as you can see here, it's perfectly fits. And okay, let's talk about the bracket. Okay, it's very hard to pull. Okay, now, so my idea was to make easy dismount solution. So I'm going to show you. Previously I have made for other dash camera, it's a Panorama 2 from Power UCC, this quick magnetic dismount solution, where I was using the fridge magnets, the magnets from the fridge door seal exactly. So this kind of mount, one side has those magnets and the opposite side as well. The plastic base here, double-sided tape. It's a white color, but I didn't have black color, so it's fine. So the idea was quickly mount and dismount. Let's do like this, like this. So even when I'm sitting on the driver's side, I don't have to look at the exact place where I'm placing, just roughly find a place and push and pull. So the same idea I wanted to implement with the Mobius dash camera. So there are two ways. Like, I have left this side of the mount, the bracket, clear, because in my case I can use the Panorama 2 base. It's still magnet, it still holds, but if you don't have this kind of solution, just use double-sided tape closer to the mirror, so it will be behind the mirror, like here, and this will be permanently fixed to the windshield with double-sided tape. And on the other side here, as you can see, I also used fridge door seal magnets. This side, those sides here, oops, and also with the double-sided tape I attached correspondent sides of the Mobius. So for me now it's really easy to detach, so I just have to slide it in and that's it, even without looking at the correct place, because previously if you align the camera and find the proper place, proper angle, you just have to, even from the driver's side sitting here, I don't have to look at the exact place. So from this side I feel with my two fingers the bracket width, so roughly I'll place in some place the Mobius and just slide and push. And also I have left this this part here just in case if I want to use dash camera in some other place with, let's say, on a bicycle or as a helmet camera. So because if you're gonna remove this part here and put all over those magnets, of course you can't be used. You need to buy separate bracket part. So this was my solution. As you can see here, I just roughly find a place and push, and it's in the exact place. So, and by choosing the height where to mount, I think most of the cars has this mirror sun stripe. So my idea was to place as high as possible, so the top edge of the lens slightly catches the bottom edge of the mirror sun strip part, just slightly, maybe even 1 or 2 pixels from here. So this way it will be in the most uppermost part, and it won't be seen. It's almost discrete installation this way. So, and of course I was using the Plastidip coating here to coat in the black, because originally it was kind of gray metal part. So I have pictures made how I did step by step this bracket, so I will share the link later. And if you like this kind of solution, probably you can do it yourself. It's not going to take a lot of time and knowledge. And also, as you can see here, just want to point you this edge here. As you can see, I have rounded. It's because when the bracket is in this position, I can just slide it, and when I want to slide out, this edge won't stuck to this screw mount here. So this is also small advice how to do your DIY bracket. Of course, it looks slightly bulky, I guess some of you think, because those magnets are about 1.5 mil thick, but I was trying to use other type of flexible magnet stripes available. I think I tried 3 different ones, and every time I was buying by description much stronger and most strongest, but they didn't work. So I found out that these fridge door seal magnets are the best solution. Of course, you need to have them not 2 pieces, but at least 3, and corresponding side 4, because they have to align, not sitting one on one, but one strip of this one sitting on those 2 strips. So it's some kind of magnetic field here that you cannot align them directly. So hope you know what I mean. So yeah, one more solution, of course, it would be using the neodymium, or I don't know how to spell the magnets, really strong magnets, but I didn't want to go with this idea. I don't know how they will affect the operations of internals. So for me, this is the best solution I found after using, let's say, 2-3 months on Panorama 2, similar solution. I'm really happy. It's really easy to mount without looking at the exact place where, and same way with the video Mobius. If this would be bracket would be fixed permanently here with double-sided tape, or let's say in this place instead of that mount, it's very easy for you. Just mount, dismount, just pull out the wire, the power source, and just push it, slide it. That's it. Hope you got some ideas, and thank you for watching.